Hi, and welcome back to our series on Windows. Today we're talking about the mouse. That's this image you see on the screen here. Go through the parts real quick. You have the body of the mouse, the wire that connects to your computer. Some come without wires because they're wireless. You have two buttons typically, left and right. I know, the image is upside down. And you have a control wheel typically in the middle. This wheel turns for scrolling. Let's take a look at something else, how to hold it. You can see that if you're right-handed, your index finger will go over the left button, your middle finger will go over the right button, and your thumb will be on one side of the mouse, and your pinky will be on the other side of the mouse. Also, your third finger will be on the other side of the mouse. This is important because you have to use this grip to hold the mouse still while you use it when you're clicking. If you have a big enough mouse, you can put your palm on the base of the mouse, or you can simply hold it between your fingers. One of the important things is that you're going to be pressing on these buttons, and you have to hold the mouse still while you press. As you move your mouse left and right, you can see how the arrow on the screen moves left and right. If you move your mouse up and down, the arrow goes with you up and down. When you click, you have to hold the mouse still while you click. If you click and drag, you can draw a box. That's done by holding the left mouse button down, that's your index finger, and moving the mouse. Whichever way you move it, the box moves with you. When you have the box big enough, you let go of the button, and you have selected an item. You can see how this item is highlighted. If you click away from the item, the highlight disappears. The other mouse button is used for what's called context menus. Again, hold the mouse very firmly on both sides so it doesn't move, and click on the other button, the right button, with your middle finger, and a menu pops up. Now this menu will depend on where your mouse is. The desktop gives you a short menu. Click on one of these icons, right click, and you get a longer menu. Click on the taskbar, and you get a different longer menu. So, to use the mouse, you're going to hold it with your hand. All 4 or 5 fingers of your hand on it will be on the mouse. Thumb on one side, third finger and pinky on the other side, index on the left button, and middle finger on the right button. Just move the whole mouse around to move the arrow around, and click or right click to use the buttons. You can also double click and triple click. If I go to one of these icons over here and I click it twice, real fast, with my index finger on the left button. 1, 2, and it makes something happen. It will do a highlight, or it will activate. Most often you'll use this to open programs, select words, or activate shortcuts. Single click on this YouTube shortcut brings you to YouTube. As I move around the screen, you can see that the cursor changes from an arrow to a typing cursor to a hand. When it changes from an arrow, that indicates when your click will do something. If I click in here, I can now type. If I click on YouTube, when it changes to the hand, takes me back to the main YouTube screen. So remember, hold that mouse firmly while you're clicking. And you can single click or double click or right click to bring up a menu. Hope this helps you learn Windows. Thanks for watching.